Hello friends! Welcome back to Lolie's Learning Time. Today we are going to learn something nice and fun. Let's read, learn and have fun with Lolie. I. This is the word I. I is used when we talk about ourselves. I am Lolie. Am. This is the word am. We use am with I. I am happy. The. This is the word the. We use the to talk about something special, the teddy, the ball. Is. This is the word is. The cat is sitting. Is helps us describe things. A. This is the word a. A is used for one thing. A cat. You. This is the word you. I am talking to you. Yes, you. We. This is the word we. We means more than one person. We are friends. Great job! You read sight words with Lolie. See you again next time. Bye-bye!